Imagine a world where your home is more than just a dwelling. It's a self-sufficient oasis. You step outside and pluck fresh vegetables from your vertical hydroponic garden, powered by solar panels that gleam on the roof. Inside, a three-dimensional printer hums quietly, fabricating a replacement part for your wind turbine. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of off-grid living, empowered by technology and driven by a desire for a more sustainable and independent lifestyle. This is the story of how you can harness the power of three-dimensional printing and solar energy to craft your own off-grid haven, a place where innovation and resourcefulness converge to create a brighter and more self-reliant tomorrow. Are you ready to build the future? Let's dive in. Three-dimensional printing, once a futuristic concept relegated to the realms of science fiction, has rapidly become a game-changer for individuals seeking self-sufficiency and sustainability. This revolutionary technology has opened up new avenues for creativity and problem-solving, making it possible for people to produce a wide range of items right from their own homes or workshops. This technology, also known as additive manufacturing, allows us to create three-dimensional objects from a digital file by layering materials like plastic or metal. The process is not only efficient but also highly customizable, enabling the creation of complex designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. Imagine holding the power to materialize tools, replacement parts, and even functional prototypes in the palm of your hand. This capability is particularly valuable for those who live in remote areas or who are preparing for emergency situations where access to conventional supply chains may be limited. For those venturing off the grid, three-dimensional printing offers an unprecedented level of independence. It allows individuals to be more self-reliant, reducing the need to rely on external sources for essential items and repairs. It empowers us to overcome the limitations of traditional supply chains and repair infrastructure, which can be unreliable or non-existent in remote locations. This means that even in the most isolated environments, you can maintain and repair your equipment, ensuring that you are always prepared for any situation. Need a new wrench? Print one. The ability to produce tools on demand is a game changer for anyone looking to be more self-sufficient. Water pump impeller broken? Print it. The versatility of 3D printing means that you can create a wide variety of parts and components tailored to your specific needs. With a three-dimensional printer and a little ingenuity, the possibilities for self-reliance are boundless. From everyday tools to complex mechanical parts, 3D printing empowers you to take control of your own needs and resources, making it an invaluable asset for anyone looking to live a more independent and sustainable lifestyle. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What can you actually create with a three-dimensional printer that's genuinely useful for off-grid living? The answer might surprise you. We're not just talking about trinkets and gadgets here. We're talking about essential tools, functional components, and even small-scale energy solutions. Need a sturdy wrench to tighten a bolt on your solar panel array? No problem, print one using a high-strength filament like ABS or PTG. Missing a part for your DIY water filtration system? Design and print it to your exact specifications. You can even print custom molds for casting replacement parts in metal, expanding your capabilities even further. The only limit is your imagination and maybe the build volume of your printer. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Is three-dimensional printing truly a revolutionary tool for off-grid living, or is it just a hyped-up gimmick? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. While three-dimensional printing offers incredible potential for self-sufficiency, it's not a magic bullet that will solve all your off-grid challenges. Three-dimensional printers require a power source, filament or resin materials, and some level of technical expertise to operate and maintain. They're also limited in terms of the size and complexity of objects they can produce. However, for those willing to invest the time and effort to learn the ropes, three-dimensional printing can be an incredibly empowering and valuable asset for off-grid living. It's a tool that complements, not replaces, traditional skills and resourcefulness. Section 5, Sunshine and Satoshi, the allure of solar-powered crypto mining. Let's shift gears now and talk about another exciting technology that's making waves in the off-grid community, cryptocurrency mining. Specifically, we're going to explore the fascinating world of solar-powered crypto mining, where the abundance of the sun meets the decentralized nature of digital currency. For the uninitiated, cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying and adding transactions to a blockchain, the digital ledger that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Miners solve complex mathematical problems, and those who are successful are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency. Traditionally, this process has been energy-intensive, relying heavily on fossil fuels and drawing criticism for its environmental impact. However, solar-powered mining offers a greener and potentially more profitable alternative. Section 6. Building your solar-powered mining rig, a step-by-step guide, ready to harness the power of the sun to mine your own digital gold. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from understanding your energy needs to setting up your mining hardware. Building a solar-powered crypto mining rig might sound daunting, but it's more achievable than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can create a sustainable and cost-effective mining operation. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. First, you'll need to determine your energy needs. This is crucial for ensuring that your setup can handle the power requirements of your mining hardware. First, you'll need to determine your energy needs. This involves calculating the power consumption of your chosen mining hardware and understanding the amount of sunlight your location receives throughout the year. This involves researching the power consumption of your chosen mining hardware and the amount of sunlight your location receives. You can use online tools and solar calculators to help with this. Next, you'll need to invest in solar panels, batteries for energy storage, and other essential components. Solar panels will capture the sunlight, while batteries will store the energy for use when the sun isn't shining. A charge controller to regulate the flow of electricity, ensuring that your batteries are charged efficiently and safely. And an inverter to convert direct current power from your solar panels into alternating current power that your mining rig can use. This is essential for making sure your mining hardware operates correctly. Finally, you'll need to select and configure your mining hardware. This involves choosing the right mining rigs, setting them up, and ensuring they are properly connected to your solar power system. Connect it to your solar power system and start mining. With everything in place, you can now enjoy the benefits of a sustainable and efficient mining operation powered by the sun. Section 7. The economics of solar crypto mining: profit or peril? Now for the million-dollar question, is solar-powered crypto mining profitable? This is a topic that has generated a lot of buzz in recent years as more people look for sustainable ways to mine cryptocurrency. The answer, as you might have guessed, is complex and depends on a multitude of factors, including the cost of electricity in your area, which can vary significantly from one region to another. The hash rate of your mining hardware, which determines how efficiently you can mine cryptocurrency. The current price of cryptocurrency, which can be highly volatile and impact your potential earnings, and the amount of sunlight your location receives, which directly affects the efficiency of your solar panels. In some cases, solar-powered crypto mining can be a profitable endeavor, especially in regions with high electricity costs and abundant sunshine. These conditions can create an ideal environment for maximizing returns. By generating your own clean energy, you can significantly reduce or even eliminate your electricity bills, boosting your profit margins. This can make a substantial difference in your overall profitability. However, it's crucial to approach solar-powered crypto mining with a healthy dose of realism. There are risks involved, and not every situation will be profitable. And to conduct thorough research before investing significant capital. Understanding the nuances and potential pitfalls can help you make an informed decision and avoid costly mistakes. Section 8. Beyond Bitcoin: exploring alternative uses for your solar setup. Even if cryptocurrency mining doesn't align with your financial goals or risk tolerance, your solar power system can still unlock a world of possibilities for off-grid living. Remember, the energy you generate from the sun can power a wide range of appliances and devices, enhancing your self-sufficiency and reducing your reliance on the grid. Imagine powering your home with clean energy, running energy-efficient appliances, and even charging an electric vehicle, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Your solar setup can become the heart of your off-grid haven, providing the energy you need to live a more sustainable and independent lifestyle. Section 9. Your off-grid odyssey awaits. Embrace the future. As we've explored throughout this journey, the future of off-grid living is brimming with possibilities. From the transformative power of three-dimensional printing to the allure of solar-powered crypto mining, technology is empowering individuals to take control of their energy production, embrace self-sufficiency, and forge a more sustainable path forward. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of three-dimensional printing, explore the potential of solar energy, and embark on your own off-grid odyssey. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. Let's build it together, one innovation at a time. What will you create? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation.